Then, I lost all hope. I had insecurities.
Don't you get it? I'm not interested!
I had no one to trust. I cried every night hoping to let it go. I had to introduce new additions. I couldn't find a place in my heart to forgive. So I decided to revenge.
It's obvious you went to see your mistresses.
Hey, I am tired and I need to go upstairs and get some rest. So please!
A wedded wife, a woman without a ring. What do you expect your husband to do?
Look here, this will be your first and last time you do this.
I dare you to go and remove that pregnancy. I will let my lawyers deal with you. I love you so much. I cannot control it.
You're married. You can laugh too. You are married.
I don't care. I love you.
Your friend has stopped eating my food. Not to talk of touching me.
This hooligan can never be my friend. Okay? Now read my lips.
What's going on?
I'll make your life miserable.
What?
Okay.
My brother is going to get rid of this by tomorrow.